इस बात को ज़रा इस हिस्से को गौर से देखिएगा। हमारी द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट, आई वुड कॉल इट मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट slide. Reason is that until unless we are not able to convince the patients for insulin, we are not going to move forward. Initially, when I used to say a patient that now your things have gone bad, your kidney is not working well, you've got some heart problem, your blood pressure is out of control, and things are not good for your coming health, future health. So we need to put you on insulin. So people, mostly the patient used to jump and open my door and went out. And then he never turned up. Or if he turned up with a very, very bad stage. So I asked the patient, what is the problem? Whenever I talk about insulin, you just jump up and get out and you say. Then another group came, he said, Doctor Saab, ये तो फिर आखिरी है, ये तो आखिरी है. So I thought that they are saying that गोलियां काम नहीं कर रही हैं तो फिर ये इंसुलिन आखिरी हाथ रह गया है. So when I went in detail, so what they gave a very, very different story. They said कि जी दादा जी ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੂਗਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਨਸੂਲਿਨ ਲੱਗੀ ਸੀ ਤੇ 3 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਫੌਤ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਸਨ. ਖਾਲਾ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੂਗਰ ਲੱਗੀ ਸੀ ਤੇ 4 ਮਹੀਨੇ 'ਚ ਫੌਤ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਸਨ. ਤਾਈ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗੀ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ 4-5 ਮਹੀਨੇ 'ਚ ਫੌਤ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਸੀ. ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਨਸੂਲਿਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਣੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹ ਆਖਰੀ ਹੈ, ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਅੱਲਾ ਕੋਲ ਚਲੇ ਜਾਣਾ. So those were the patients who were put on insulin when they were on terminal stages. So everybody was afraid यार जो इंसुलिन लगाता है वो बस चला ही जाता है. So we want to make this belief in the patients that was the mistake you did, that was the mistake your elders did, and we don't want to repeat this mistake.